Olympus cameras can capture the image in RAW and JPEG format. Which should you use? Hi, I'm Peter Forsgaard, an Olympus visionary from Helsinki, Finland. You can choose in which format you want to capture your images. You have two choices, RAW and JPEG. It's in the menu 1 and the symbol looks like this. The RAW image format is .orf in Olympus cameras. RAW always captures all the megapixels that your Olympus has. In most Olympus cameras it's 16 megapixels and in the newest EM1 Mark II it's 20 megapixels. The Pen F can also capture 20 megapixel images. In JPEG mode there are more options. You can choose the quality. The default JPEG quality is large and the other ones are M and S. In L quality you can choose two different compressions. F is less compression and N is a bit more. The less compression, the better the image quality. I recommend to use the LF JPEG if taking photos in JPEG mode. M and S have less megapixels. You can find a link in the description of the video for more info about this. I always use RAW mode. It has more information and it's more editable format. But RAW mode always has to be edited and converted to JPEG for sharing and viewing in different screens. For editing RAW you need a software for it. Adobe Lightroom is what I use, but there are several other ones. JPEG can be used for casual photography when you do not want to edit them that much. It's easy to share the JPEG images straight from the camera via mobile phone to social media. There is also an option to capture both RAW and JPEG images simultaneously. This is very useful if you want to share images immediately and save also the RAW files for later editing. This was the 8th episode on my series of videos using Olympus. After you have subscribed to my channel, then watch the previous episodes if you haven't seen them yet. Thanks for watching and bye for now.